speak, just stay. Feel the night drift away. Feel the scars in the dark, double edges in my veins, cold heart, slow burn, run and circle my brain. Soft skin, sharp sins, hidden blaze in disguise, innocence, consequence, living deep in her eyes. White lies, black eyes, every step could collapse. Two sides, one line, go between the relapse. No fake cascade, every touch leaves a trace. Lost time, crossed lines, I still feel her in space. No breath, no rest, feel it under my skin. No name, no shame, let the chaos begin. Never die, same pain, new name every time we deny. Let it tear through the night, no escape, no disguise, we would never arrive. Soft heart, sharp blaze, now the lines intertwine. If we fall, if we break, at least we felt it this time.